kay paila-ila ni mo.
Kinsa man?
Basta, karong gabi Hi, Grace.
When I see your face, there's not a thing that I would change, 'cause you're amazing, just the way you are. You know you love me, I know you care, just shout whenever.
Mut, mata na. Laila sa demo. Mut, si Ibang, si Imut.
Wala kong damha. Usa ka maanyag nga dalaga. Ako karong maila-ila. Para kanimo, kabuton ko ang buwan o gihalad sa imong atubangan.
Nick, istoryahin.
Bang, manayo na ta.
Ang sunod nato nga programa sa kahalad nga sayaw o dapiton ta sa masipang pakpak.
Indutan ni mong sayaw eh. Maulit na raba ko ugma. Kita ang tata.
Di pwede kay sayo akong klase ugma, nag-part-time teach man ko.
Ihatod lang ta ka.
Ay na lang kay nagdamang kong sakyanan.
Mut, nano kay number ni Ibang.
We started to have constant communication through short phone calls. In September 2002, Ibang came back to Cebu for a few days, so I decided to visit her. Kuy, sure ka Ibang ni? Buwis lagi siya. After 9 months of persistent courtship, the big day finally arrived, and she said yes.
Are you okay?
I am not okay.
We have been exchanging phone calls from day in and day out.
What day is it?
Two things, good news and bad news. Bad news, I failed the CPA board. The good news is, I'll be coming back to Cebu and will be staying there for good.
Yes! Yay! Yes!
Announcing the arrival of flight 5J2P6894 8 miles from Manila.
And all other people with nothing to do. And I'd give up forever to touch you, 'cause I know that you feel me somehow. You're the closest to heaven
asa man na to i-celebrate ato ang first anniversary? Bang, 60 pesos raman tong kwarta. I've got an idea! Tchadan!
Mot, mapunta ko dadi ugma.
Sige, mabisita ko ugma.
So this is what you mean. And this
Until I finally meet her dad.
Ta, nag-hiring ang Bigfoot Illustrator.
Sige, apply ko. Salamat nung bita. Bang, nag-hiring ang Bigfoot Illustrator.
Really? Sige, Mot. Go and pursue your dream. I believe in your skill.
Hi, Fillmore. You've got an interview scheduled tomorrow at Bigfoot Ramos.
Bang, kuyawan mo ko bang?
I know you can do it. Go break a leg.
Break a leg? Ano sa break a leg? Surprisingly, I got the job.
Ibang's parents suddenly decide to bring her back to Manila.
Bang, try ko no apply sa call center.
Di mo kumaayog verbal.
I know you can do it.
Okay. I'll give it a try.
After a week, Ibang got hired at Teletech.
So I look in your direction, but you pay me no attention.
Bang, I have been waiting to tell you this for years. Can you hear that?
What?
My heart, it's telling me that I love you. Will you marry me?
Huh?
If you want, we can get married next year.
Next year? We can, because Kuya's getting married next year.
My love can always wait. We can get married in 2011. Guys, meeting! This is a special project. We are going to make a wedding animation of me and Ibang.
Ha? Smash!
5, shot!
Go sing! Ari tanaw diri ha. Sige balik, cut.